Yeah, hello everybody. Very excited to be here, a part of the best accelerator in Web3 among these other amazing projects. My name is Jack Spallone. I'm joined here by Dan Fowler, both, as Josh put it, recovering founders of the first music crypto boom and co-creators of Music OS. Music OS serves to enable the growing economy at the intersection of Web3 and music. Over the past 2 years, growing activity around NFTs, social tokens, and DAOs has redirected value back to creators through new methods and inspired so many more. Web3 is a dream situation for artists and fans alike to be connected in multi directional ways with multi directional value flows. Yet we recognize how early we are. As an emerging industry, and with this growing activity, feel we have reached a mature level of scale where things like identity, assets, and actions online are now in a position to unlock the true power of a decentralized web. So we have created Music OS. Music OS is a thin application contextualizing all Web3 music activity. The application will give artists and fans the ability to connect their wallet and see a dashboard view of their activity across popular music NFT and creator economy tools, such as Catalog, Sound, and Mirror for starters. Imagine this as like a Xerion or a Zapper for music. In order to build this application, though, we are also building a decentralized technology stack that will provide indexed and accessible data for other applications to build on an open music foundation. Web3 is built on composable interoperability and optionality, pieces of a grand, ever changing tapestry that hints towards a future where there will be not one platform to rule them all. Therefore, Music OS is being organized as a DAO. I'll let Dan take it from here on what that means.
So I think, like everyone else in this room, we believe that the next iteration of the internet is going to be comprised of entities that work in a more democratic model than those that have been increasingly dominant in recent years. I think, with that in mind, we believe it's imperative that Music OS is owned and run by the community that it's serving. In music, we have a very good example of where that hasn't been working the last few years with regards to things like SoundCloud and Bandcamp, and we think that we should strive to do better in the future. And so, because of that, we've been working really hard with the fantastic guys here at C Club to really understand this emerging design space of DAOs and fundamentally the choices and decisions that we're going to be faced with along the way as we go down that path. Although I think it's also worth saying that we're keenly aware that great product is going to be the foundation that everything that Jack's been talking about here and everything we've been talking about today is going to be built on. And so we've been working really hard with Hi-Fi Labs to work out what the right structure we can have for this organization is as we start to think about this decentralization path. So yeah, I mean, I think we've put out our first words on the project publicly today. You can see our Mirror posts, and we've set up our Twitter, and we've started up a community in the Hi-Fi Discord, which we'd love all of you to come and join us in. I think, as Jack mentioned, we've both been thinking about this stuff for years now, and it's just awesome to finally start to pull it all together. But with that said, we've got lots of ideas, but fundamentally, whether this thing's going to work or not is going to be entirely dependent on making it a reflection of the wider Web3 music community.